like coming up with
asked me to have coffee with you. I never knew you were interested in chemistry.
Oh my God, I'm very passionate about chemistry. It's all like kitchen.
It seems a student has been leaving muffins in my classroom when I'm not there. But they're just awful. I mean, really bad. I wonder who it could be.
Awful, you say?
Not so coffee.
I mean, I don't know who it could be. I mean, kids are so silly. I hate most of them. The obnoxious little
I'm surprised to see you.
Damn noisy plebe! Foolish infatuations of youth. I suppose my mastery of the fascinating subject of chemistry might affect a young woman.
Oh, yeah, me too. I imagine they'd be constantly thinking about your forehead. The beads of sweat on your forehead and the way your dad
Yeah, you're a scientist. You should be able to help us see right.
Sounds like you've given it some thought. Forget about him, baby. Come with me.
Coffee is this. Your coffee is getting cold. What? Drink it all. It's good stuff.
Why are you wasting your time with that thing? Must be the fumes
Yeah, that's probably it. Have some more coffee.
really not good. Oh no! The visions are back! Get back, foul fiends!
Oh, come on, gorgeous. It's about time I show you what I know about chemistry. And a little biology.